Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Berlin Synchronous Fabric Manager Chair. Features. The Berlin Synchronous Fabric Manager Chair fuses bold design with curved elements for a distinctive look. Integral padded headrest area provides support for shoulders, neck and head. A cushioned backrest with ergonomic lumbar sculpture supports you as you sit. The seat pad is contoured for comfort and features a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the legs and aid circulation. The seat height can be adjusted with the right-hand lever. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the seat height to their optimum position. The synchronized tilt mechanism is operated by the left-hand lever. Push the lever back to unlock the mechanism and allow the chair to float freely. Push it forward again to lock the chair into one of 4 positions. The weight tension control automatically adjusts to your body weight throughout the recline for support regardless of stature. For a more ergonomic experience, unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. Hinged arms allow for synchronous adjustment as the chair reclines for complete comfort. The armrests are topped with comfort arm pads in matching upholstery. The Berlin is fully upholstered in high-quality Yidatex fabric in black, blue, grey or wine, with contrasting colour detail in a breathable air mesh fabric. The upholstery coordinates perfectly with the silver frame, armrests and 5-star base. The base is also fitted with handy footplates, providing a comfortable foot position. This chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. It is tested and certified to EN 1335 for strength and stability. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 Level 0, 1 and 5 and fabrics to EN 1021 Parts 1 and 2. Berlin comes complete with a 1-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.